And hello. Thanks for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. And I'm heading into Gatlinburg. It's 5:30 on a Monday afternoon. Heading into the Boig. See what's going on. From what I understand, there's a lot of people without power. I don't know who has it, who doesn't. But I know one thing. It's always beautiful up here in the snow. Always. Turn down that fan a little bit so that you can see what's going on. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate that. Your virtual getaway. Vacation Station TV. Looks like these guys got a lot more snow than we did. Now, we had 8 inches in Wares Valley, and I'm assuming they maybe got 10 inches. I don't know. Looks a lot thicker than where I am. It was starting to melt a little bit in Wares Valley, but it doesn't look like it ever got any sunshine here. Now, we had some sunshine before, but up here it always had a cloud hanging over it, so it didn't have really a chance to thaw out. So it's still really pretty up here. Now, if you're thinking about coming up to Gatlinburg anytime this week, it's going to be nice for a couple of days like this, look real pretty. But tomorrow, it's supposed to be sunny, so if you can get up here and still see all this beauty, this is the time. This is your Norman Rockwell moment, right here now. Hopefully you had a chance to check out my other video of us leaving the cabin in 8 inches of snow, because that's how much there was. And it was chilly too. I'll tell you, it was 31 degrees when we stepped out the cabin. And it's 34 right now. It did get a little bit warmer today, but it didn't stay warm for long. And there's still people walking around. It's not nearly as crowded as it was. Most of the people have gone. And that's good for you people that are coming up to visit. There shouldn't be really any large crowds at this point for at least this month. January is usually downtime in Gatlinburg because all the holidays are over, but the lights will stay up through March. You kind of see what's going on. Still people walking around and enjoying this. How could you not enjoy this? This is gorgeous. This is just so nice here. During the winter, I just love it up here in the Smoky Mountains, especially after a fresh snowfall. And that is exactly what we have now. And if that doesn't feel like Christmas, a little late, but better late than never, right? T-shirt, my friend? Okay. I don't know why you'd be wearing a t-shirt in this weather. It must be from like Alaska. This is a heat wave coming through. A little bit of traffic here, but this is that time at 5, between 4 and 6, there's traffic here because people coming and going from work, and it's around dinner time, so people are out and about. And sidewalks are clear, completely clear. The roads are just wet, but they're clear. They're going to start freezing soon, which, like I said, it's 34 degrees right now, and it's supposed to go down into the upper 20s. So we'll see what happens. The local constabulary there, they're watching everything. So you bozos out there, don't do bozo things, all right? Now, if you bear it right here, you can actually Take the background, it's River Road, right there, where the police car is and the Christmas trees. That's River Road. But there's really nothing to see. It's just a back way. But I thought you'd like to see this. This is what people want to see, why they come up here. This is why they're here, because of this. Roll the windows down, but there's really not a lot of people that give you that ambient sound, the laughter and the silliness and the fun of Gatlinburg, but at least you can see what's going on. Everything just looks so cool after a snowstorm up here. You can't help but smile. You really can't. A lot of the stores have already closed. Monday, 5 o'clock, that's when they usually shut the doors down. Trip into Gatlinburg on a Monday evening after 8 inches or more of snow. And everybody seems to be in great spirits, don't you think? I think so. So thank you for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. Please, if you like these trips, like, comment, and subscribe. We would appreciate that, Miss Marie and I. We would really, really appreciate it.